I felt small and insignificant before, being like, wow, I'm just a speck in the universe. But this was the opposite. Every breath that I took in, I just got like bigger and bigger and bigger. My experience giving birth made me feel incredibly powerful. I gave birth in 2021 in a water bath at home, actually right here in this spot. What's weird about giving birth is that everything's rooted in fear, but it happens almost every second of every day successfully. There's this time before giving birth, they call it tau, where you have to maintain being calm in order for the birth to happen in the way that it's going to happen. It is painful. It's more of a psychological space that you're in. I could feel all these people that I'd lost recently helping me along. I realized kua tai mai taku tipuna.
Have a go at nailing the beginning again. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, ready? All right.
I wrote the waiata to keep a record of what happened to me. So I made it at this table just between nap times. I wanted to reference the traditional aspects of childbirth because being a Māori mama, there's a lot of pressure on us to continue on traditions when we weren't actually afforded them. We weren't even taught any of that stuff. My father grew up as a ward of the state. When he was 8, his mother died. He was subjected to some very shocking behaviour as a child. So, yeah, there's like a lot of trauma there. He stayed out of my life because of it. He didn't want to keep that cycle of abuse going.
What do you reckon, is it done yet?
Yeah.
My dad wasn't around to show us Te Ao Māori, so my mum, as a Pākehā lady, she had to navigate it herself.
That feels horrible. That's so yuck.
After school, I realised that my lifestyle was very not Māori. I used to dream in te reo, but I was starting to lose it. Eventually I was like, if I lose this, I've failed. So I started writing lyrics in te reo for me. It's actually kind of always been for me. I do think that the song could encourage people to at least not fear birth, because there is a lot of fear, and the fear is what will actually hurt you the most. I just want people to feel empowered by their womb space. You're powerful. You're the gateway between life and death. You're it.